So now we are starting with the double displacement reactions. Double displacement reactions. Those reactions in which two compounds react by exchange of ions to form new compounds are called double displacement reactions. Are called double displacement reactions. So what is happening in this beta? We are having two compounds. What we are having? Two compounds. In the displacement reactions, we are having one element and one compound. But in double displacement reactions, we are having the two compounds, and in those compounds, exchange of ions takes place and new compounds are formed. See here, I have written this equation. From here it will be clear to you. I have taken one example here. From here you can see AB reacts with CD and there is a formation of AD plus CB. Beta, you can see here, beta, I have written this equation in a ionic form because A positive, that is a cation, B negative, that is a anion. So what I have told to you that A positive is a cation and B negative is a anion. And again you can see C positive, this is a cation, and D negative, this is a anion. So basically beta, the cations can also exchange, the anions can also exchange. Here I have shown you that the anions are exchanging, then what is happening? B will take place of D and D will come in place of B. So this is what the exchange of ions. So then what is formed? If B go in the at the place of D, then what is happening? CB is formed, and D comes at a place of B, then AD is formed. This is what exchange of ions. So I think the definition is clear to you. Now we are going to discuss about the examples. The first example is of sodium sulfate and barium chloride. They both are in aqueous form. Beta, double displacement reaction will always take place if they are present in the aqueous form, because if they're in a solid form, then how they will exchange their ions? So they should be in the solution form. Mean to say, aqueous means what? Sodium sulfate is dissolved in water and barium chloride is dissolved in water. Then both aqueous solutions are formed. We will mix it and they will react and exchange of ions takes place, and there is a formation of what? Barium sulfate and sodium chloride. This will be more clear to you. I have written this equation in the ionic form. You can see here, beta, in the ionic form I have written here. So this one is the first example which I am going to discuss. This is the second example. First example which I have already discussed here. What is happening? This sodium sulfate solution, I have written this in the ionic form. Sodium is what? Na positive, and sulfate is what SO4 2 negative, and this is what? Barium is what? 2 positive, and chlorine is what? Cl negative, because these are the valences which I have written here, beta, as you have already done this in 9th class. So what is happening? Basically the exchange of ions taking place. So this sulfate takes the place of chlorine, and chlorine comes at the place of the sulfate. So what is happening here, beta? The exchange of ions taking place, and what is formed? Barium sulfate is formed and the NaCl, sodium chloride, is formed. This is a ionic form which I have written here, because what we are saying that exchange of ions takes place. So this is what the exchange of ions. So when the exchange of ions taking place, then the formula also changes. So beta, when this reaction takes place, you will see that when the both aqueous solutions react, there is a formation of barium sulfate. This is solid, and this NaCl is aqueous. Mean to say, in this solution this solid form is formed. That is what and it is of white color, and that is what the precipitates. The solid which is present in a liquid after reaction which is formed, it is a precipitate, and these are, that is the barium sulfate precipitates are of white substance. Now we will discuss about the precipitates. So the white substance formed in the above reaction is what? The insoluble substance, and it is called the precipitate. Now we are going to discuss about it more in the precipitation reactions. What are precipitation reactions? Any reaction that produces a precipitate are called precipitate reaction. So when the reaction is taking place, some precipitates are produced in that, and that what we will call the precipitation reaction. So this is another example here. Lead nitrate, potassium iodide, they are both are again in the aqueous form. They both react. We mix it, they react, and there is a formation of lead iodide. That is a solid, that is precipitate. This is a sign of what? precipitate. So precipitates are formed and potassium nitrate is formed and aqueous solution is formed. So in this aqueous solution, these precipitates are formed, and this is important to note that beta it is yellow in color. Sometimes this is asked in exams also, that what is the color of lead iodide precipitates. This is yellow in color. So as I have told you that exchange of ions taking place, so I have written this equation in the ionic form. So what is happening beta here? NO3 takes place of iodine and I come in the place of NO3. So this is what an exchange of ions taking place. Then what is happening? What is formed? KNO3 is formed, Pb, I is formed. So the valences are written here and how they exchange and the products are formed. So this is what an double displacement reactions. But one thing more to know, that in the double displacement reactions, no reactivity series is used. No reactivity series is used for double displacement reactions. The reactivity series is only used for the single displacement, or we can say the displacement reactions which we have discussed. So this is what the double displacement reactions. So in the double displacement reactions beta, what is happening? Only the reactivity series is not used, only the exchange of ions are taking place. Only the exchange of ions are taking place. And cation and anions are also clear to you. The positive is what the cation and the negative is what the anion. So I think this is clear to you. Along with that, I am also sending you to NCERT questions in the PDF. So also note down that in your notebook. Thank you.